Welcome. In front of me is a GIGASET GS190, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. To get started, you'll want to navigate into your settings, scroll down to storage, select your SD card, and then once it loads up, tap on the three dots and go to the settings or storage settings, and here you'll find option to format it. So select format. It will give you a quick message that formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another card, SD card or device. So basically, like the message says, if there's anything on that card you want to keep, make a copy of it, otherwise you will lose it. But if you have already done it or you might not want to, I can click on Format SD card. This will automatically begin the process, which only takes about 5 seconds to like 10. And once it's finished, as it is right now, click on Done and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.